Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jake Green. I'm the Head of Technical Engagement here at the Scolmore Group. And in today's video, we're going to be replacing this batten and this emergency fitting for just one fitting. Now that fitting is the fitting from Ovia. It's the Inceptor Rio. The reason we're doing this is because the emergency lighting has been tested within this warehouse and some of them have failed, including this fitting. So let's just take a look at some of the features and benefits. It is IP44 and it shows you that on the box. We can get down to this other end here and we can see that it does have a product warranty of 5 years. It's got a UGR rating of 19 and it's CTA switchable, and the version that we're going to be fitting is the emergency version because we're going to be changing 2 lights to 1. So one of the things that we do need to mention is about how sustainable this fitting is. It comes with the eco packaging. It also is part of the TM66, so it has been through the process and it did achieve between 1.5 and 2.5 as a substantial consideration into the circular economy. So we've just got the fitting on the deck here just to make sure that we're happy with everything, checking all the connections. Of course, we have got the CTA switch here, so you can choose between 3, 4 and 6K. One of the other little cool features in there is that you've got a QR code. That's going to take you directly to the instructions if you need to check anything or if you need any spare parts or anything like that. QR code at this end. We've got the driver, we've got the battery pack for the emergency fitting, and we've of course got the piano keys. Now we have got 600 center Beezer box mounts, so if you are fitting it to a conduit system, again, very easy. And they're all fitted with knockouts as well, so you actually don't need to drill anything on these fittings, which again is another good feature. We're going to be using the center one here for our particular fitting. And the last thing I want to mention is the end supports as well. Sometimes when you fit your screws or your mounts close here at 600, it's a little bit flimsy on the end. So we've provided you with these nice little fixing holes here, just in case you need that additional support to pin it to the ceiling. So with all that said and done, let's get it on the ceiling and see how it looks. So that's it, the Inceptor Rio is on the ceiling. Just a little bit of tidying up to do, but the Beezer box mounting points and the piano keys have made it super easy to install. Hopefully you found this useful and we'll see you on the next one.